Hola, mabuhay, and welcome to Madam Chrissy at John's Vlogs. We're here in Coventry, UK, and today is 28th of December. Habol pa para sa Pasko. And in today's vlog, samahan niyo ako with my BFF Christine. We're going to City Center. See you around. Ayan, yan, OOTD check. Yan, we're wearing from head. Obviously, ang ganda ng hair natin ngayon. With the thing, and of course, meron tayong pa-reveal. Turtleneck because it's too cold. Ayan, throaty na ako. With our H&M bag. And here is, ako nagtahi nito. Nagtahi ko lang siya. From George Asda. Christine, OOTD check. From head to, oh, she's wearing a nice scarf. And a headdress. Ganda ng headdress. Ganda ng coat.
Super lamig.
And of course, rubber shoes.
Super lamig.
Alright, super lamig. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ayan, pupunta kami sa pupunta kami sa town. Ayan, Merry Christmas. See you around. Hello. Happy New Year. We got our friends. Yeah, hello. Yeah.
My friend is doing a vlog.
Yeah, doing a vlog. What's her name?
Yeah.
Jasmine from Kerala, and we're from the Philippines for the New Year. So we're here now in the bus with my BFF Christine. We're going to eat later.
We've been together for long time, isn't it, Chris?
Yes.
We've been friends for long.
20 years?
Yeah, long time.
Nearly 20 years.
Sorry?
Since
Oh, just around the
2006.
corner. Okay.
Excited! Bound for Coventry City Center, and of course I would like to show you Coventry Christmas Market. And of course I'm traveling with my BFF Christine. We seldom see each other, so today I'm day off, she's day off. Opportunity to go out and go shopping, and of course I would like to show you around Coventry City Center and Christmas Market. Let's go! Mga kaolas, we're here in Coventry Full Meadow Bus Station. Ayan, di ba bilog-bilog na. May mga bilog-bilog. Good for the New Year. Ayan. Full Meadow. Diba? Ito ang aming bus stop here in Coventry City Center. Ayan. So, dito pwede tayong umupo. Diba? Ayan. So, Full Meadow Bus Station. Ayan, makikita nyo doon, no? Hindi makuha. Ayan. Meron din tong Amazon. If you want to take all your things, yan, sa Amazon. Yeah, Amazon Locker. And here, everything. Mga kaolas, ayan, nandito kami ni Christine sa Coventry City Center. Ayan. Ito tayo sa Trinity Church. Ayan. Di ba ang ganda yung mga building niya at ang architecture. Ayan ang Trinity Church na binomba noong 1945. Di ba? Ang ganda ng building na yun. Yung building na yun ay J.D. Witherspoon. Okay. Favorite building ko yan, yung white na building. Tapos, dito, ito yung history, kasaysayan ng Coventry. Diba? Since 1434. Diba? Ito ang city center ng Coventry. Bonggang-bongga. Ayan. Daming mga ibot-ibot doon. Pupunta naman tayo sa Primark. Oo, ang ganda ng nakikita na namin ang ang eksena ng Ferris wheel. Dito na tayo malapit tayo sa building ng Primark. wheel. Ito ang Coventry Christmas Market. Siyempre may mga stalls pa na close. Maaga pa kasi. It's only still early. I like this tree. Ayan. And then, may nagpipicture na din doon. And the beautiful, may mga photo booth, oh. Ayan. Then, umaandar na yung Ferris wheel. Bongga. Gumagalaw ang mga miniature. There are bags, dream catchers, very nice. Ayan, may mga keychain na bonggang-bongga. Ito oh, Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong! O, diba? Bongga. Meron ding mga... O, yun, may ano, oh. For £5. Yung ating mga ano. Evil Eye. Jade and other ornaments. May mga earrings din, diba? Bonggang-bongga. Mini dream catcher, oh. Bongga. Syempre, ang ating paboritong protector, Evil Eye. Ayan, may Evil Eye din pala dito, oh. 1 times 3, 2 times 5. Tornado potato. Thank you. You can put Paris orange. Hello, just taking photo. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Cookies with creams. Alright, thank you. With Yorkshire pudding and carberry, pork carberry, beef as well. Very nice. Boiled potatoes. And some pudding. Oh, pork cracklings. We love that. Thank you. How much? Pigs in the blankets there. Yorkshire pudding wraps and roast spots. How much is the roast spots? £10. £10. And very popular German sausage. Look how they cook it, like smoky hot dog or smoky German sausage. It looks nice, especially here, especially this cold weather. Very nice. It's nice to stroll here like that. It's for £8 per sausage and cheese crackner. So it's mostly German thing. Wow, very nice. Very nice ambience. Looking at the different stores and booth. Yes, and you can order, you can cook the you can burn the marshmallow. Yes. Yes, and of course, very nice place. O, diba? Very Christmassy. I love it. Welcome to Fantasy and Reality Coventry Shop, wherein you can find different kinds of stones and, of course, ammunitions, pampaswerte, for fortune and fame. So the wheel of fortune is always positive. I like this store because you can see different kinds of stones and bracelets, wonderful minerals, and also you can also check your lucky stones like citrine, jasper, opalites, pearls, which me I like so much of the hematite. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Fantasy and Reality, ang favorite store namin. And of course, ayan, may nabili na tayo. I bought, ito, pumili ako ng, ayan, hematite stone. And the other one is, of course, ang rose quartz. Para sa love life, o ba diba? Para palaging, ano, harmonious relationship, at saka good ang relationship. Ayan, di ba? So, hematite naman for positive energy, at saka balance ng work, and of course, ng psychological thing. O, di ba? Ayan, nandito na, nandito na kami. Ayan, with Christine, ang ganda ng top. Bling, bling, bling. Nakakaloka. We're here now in Smoking and Hot Grill.
Baka na ng pagkain. Ang ganda ng watch mo.
Hola! Ayan, mga ka-olas, nandito na kami sa ano. Hello, Christine. Happy New Year. Oh, naka-video call sa ano. Kakain kami ng bonggang-bongga ngayon. Gusto niyo ba ang mga bling-bling namin? Ano sa'yo? Ang ganda din sa'yo. Ay, yung ano, yung colorful. Ayan, sa akin, golden pearl and colorful opalite. O, di ba? Ang ganda natin. O, ang ganda doon. Ayan, Happy New Year to everyone. Ayan. Nakita nyo kami ngayon ni Christine. Ito yung favorite na kinakainan namin ni Christine pag may mga occasions or pag gusto lang naming mag-vanding. Diba? Ayan, bonggang-bongga. Meron talaga siyang Japanese foods. Yes, meron din siyang Italian. Yan, may fisa. Yan, may lasagna. At syempre, chips. At onion rings na talagang kahapon ko pa gustong kainin. Onion rings. At ayan ha, bonggang-bongga, may Mexican food. Cheese! Yan, we're here in Umami. Plenty of foods around. Got the curries. Bonggang-bongga sa Umami. Ano kaya to? Ay. Diba? Meron din siyang mga kebab meal. Wow, potatoes. Bongga. Bonggang-bongga. Oh my God. May pressure ba ito? Oh. Wow. Very nice. We have the masala lamb ribs here and tandoori chicken. Then pwede rin magpaluto dito ng bonggang-bongga. And you got all the sides. Yeah. While waiting for Christine, Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah. So si Christine gusto niya, hinahanap ko siya ng drink. It's orange. And I've got Diet Coke. Alright. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga ka-honors yan. Nandito tayo sa Smoking and Hot Grill. And of course, it's Christmas time. Bonggang-bongga. Ang mga sides here. O, diba? May chili. Yung chili. Tapos pwede na yung mga sauce. And I would like to be here Cheese! Full of cheese! Ang ganda pa ng resolution ng phone.
I-vlog mo pa. Ang busy,
Diba?
mo pa mama.
Oo, bongga. Sarap ng mga food dams natin. Ayo! Ayan, ito ang pagkain namin. That's it! Appetizer pa lang to, di ba bonggang-bongga. At syempre, ang paborito namin ni Christine, ang hipon. Let's try some pizza. Mm. And chicken. Second plate, chicken curry. Yes, and of course, I tried the beef macaroni. Wow, enjoy. Ay, oo nga
Kanya
pala.
kanina, di ba? Ganun ako ng ganun.
O kaya pala, ayan, ang mga bling-bling namin while eating curry. It's my second plate. Christine, mabagal siya kumain, hindi pa ubos ang kanyang first plate. Ayan.
Ang dami ko na nakain, oh.
First plate pa lang
Bundat
yan.
na kami ni Crazy Mama. Once in a lifetime lang.
Oo. Ayan, para kita tayong dalawa sa camera. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Ayan, we're eating. I'll try the big lasagna. Kain po tayo. Second plate. Ito
Ay,
ang
ikaw
regalo ko.
talaga?
Ang regalo ko kay Christine.
Social, ay Diyos ko, wala akong regalo kay Chris.
Ayan, you know how it is. When you will, when you want to put some, it's a
Tomato
suction, yeah. So you have to put, so you can use it at work. You can put the lotion.
Oh.
It will suction the thing there, yeah.
Para
For example, your
dito
bigger
na.
lotion, yeah.
Ay, maganda, bongga. Ay, may bag pa na ganito. Ay, thank you. May guest pa akong bag, bongga.
Oo, bongga.
Oh,
Ipakita
ikaw talaga, Chris. Thank
Ayan.
you. Ay,
Ay,
ang
may
social
maganda
ng-
siyang
ang
bag.
social ng bag
Ayan,
ko.
o diba?
Kaloka ka, Chris. Wala akong niregalo sa'yo.
Happy Christmas.
Thank you.
Alright.
Happy Christmas, oh. Ay, may ganito pa. Thank you.
Oo, ayan.
Ay, bongga.
That's nice. Pakita mo.
Ikaw talaga,
O, diba?
Chris. Ay, ang mahal ng regalo mo sa
No,
akin.
I bought it in Birmingham.
Ihanapan pa kita ng regalo.
Ayan.
Hello.
Ayan,
Thank
ang
you.
regalo natin ni
Thank
Christine.
you.
Ang dessert natin ay waffle. And cheese and bubblegum ice cream flavor. I like the combination of waffle plus the cheese flavor ice cream and of course the bubblegum ice cream. Blue na blue. I love it. My favorite color is blue. Tapos na kami kumain at syempre, lakad-lakad dito sa napakagandang design ng smoking hot grill. At makikita nyo, may Vietnam vibe. Ganda-ganda. Kampa na kami going to the mall or Primark. Ang ganda ng fasad. Diba? Oh, bonggang-bongga. Ay, sorry. Bonggang-bongga ang ang smoking hot buffet and grill. Ayan. Thank you, Christine, for the treat. Thank you. Ayan. Oo.
Ang ganda lang binigay mo. Guess, ang social.
Ayan. Ayan, thank you po. Ang ganda ng kanyang ang ganda ni Christine today.
Thank you. Ikaw.
Ang kanyang ano.
Ang ganda ng hair mo. Ingit ako sa hair mo.
Oh, diba?
Saan mo
Kinulot-kulot.
Gusto ko yung ganyan para ilalagay na lang.
Correct. Oo, ready na.
Hindi ka na mag-aayos ng buko.
Oo.
Pangit ng buko mo. Parang gusto mong kulayan ulit.
Correct.
Kasi naalis na yung kulay.
Ayan. So, ito po ang Coventry City Center. Yes, I would like to bring you here in British Heart Foundation. It's a charity shop supporting people with heart problems. And of course, maganda yung cost niya. And you can buy these trousers 50%. So, £2 na lang. O, diba? Bonggang-bongga. I love to window shop here. And of course, buy things na hindi ko nakikita sa mall. Ayan, yung mga, diba, parang brands for less. British Heart Foundation. Ayan. Nagpunta po kami dyan. It's a charity shop to help. Yeah, we can go there. We can have a look.
Punta na tayo ng pharma.
Okay. We're going to Chinese store over there. We're here now in China Market. Yes, they also sell Filipino products, Filipino goods. Ayan, as you can see, there are some rice, jasmine rice, long grain rice, some Chinese vegetables, yes, noodles, and of course, I saw Meiji. Yes, may mga chocolates din sila from Japan and all over Asia. Meron din silang Malaysian coffee. Here, mochi. 'Di ba? And of course, clover. We would like clover chips. Berry dice for skyflakes. Yes, some crackers. 'Di ba? Yung skyflakes nila merong condensed milk din. Ayan. Yan, some cream crackers. Mostly mga Chinese goods. So, masarap ditong mag-grocery. So, ako, syempre, ang tina-target ko dito, yung kanilang suka, 'di ba? Or vinegar. Yun ang talagang bibilihin ko ngayon. Vinegar, o 'di ba? Nakakaloka. Ayun. So, walk-walk lang dyan, tingin-tingin, ano yung pwedeng bilhin. 'Di ba? Hindi kompleto ang shopping, Christmas shopping kung hindi tayo pupunta sa China Market. Located in Coventry, 'di ba? Near Old Precinct, 'di ba? Yan yung ano, yung sa may mall, 'di ba? Dating Debenhams. So maganda siya kasi nandito na lahat. Meron ding mga tea, jasmine tea. Yes. So, very nice to look at. At meron din sila mga frozen goods. Actually, may hot dogs. Meron din silang fish balls. Lahat. Di ba? At sa mga mahilig sa hot pot, pwede rin tayo makabili dito ng Angus beef. Ayan. Bonggang-bongga. I love it. Ayan. Dinahandahan ko para makita nyo yung mga products nila. Oo. At least talaga nandito. So, ayan. Ang sarap magtingin-tingin, 'di ba? Kaya lang siyempre ang budget, o 'di ba? 'Di ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong lulutuin ko sa Pasko, pero yan nakikita na diyan, 'di ba? Pero actually, hindi lang Pasko, sa bagong taon, kasi sa Pasko, nag-Christmas dinner ako kay Christine, o 'di ba? And her husband cooked for us. And of course, Christine also prepared noodles or yung pansit and of course yung bilo-bilo. Pero ayan o, 'di ba? As you can see, bonggang-bongga ang mga products, 'di ba? Talagang ano, marami tayong pwedeng piliin, 'di ba? Kaya bonggang-bongga ang store na 'to. Ayan, sinama ko kayo dito. Oo, 'di ba? Mm. To those who would like lemon tea, ayan, may Branda BLT. 'Di ba? Oo, it looks like £6 siya 'to. Mahal na talaga dito pero na-enjoy ko 'yan sa Hong Kong, 'di ba? Nabibili natin sa 7-Eleven when we travel around Southeast Asia, yung BLT na lemon tea, 'di ba? Masarap siya during masarap siyang inumin yung BLT. Mapa-cold or mapa-hot, o 'di ba? Pero gusto ko siya ng cold. Yes. 'Diba? So alam nyo na, 'di ba? Ang mga traveler, punta kayo dito sa China Market and you can buy BLT. Buhay na buhay ang gabi sa Coventry. 'Di ba? Bonggang-bongga ang fair. Yan ang Sainsbury's.
Tinatawagan ko yung asawa ko, wala pang...
And then later, pupunta kami sa Primark. Ay! Nakakaloka! Kaolas, nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Primark at nagtatry tayo ng mga beauty products, 'di ba? So, ang tinatry ko doon yung mga foundation, 'di ba? Ayan, 'di ba? So, make sure tinitest ko kung maganda yung concealer or not. Then meron tayo mga lipstick, 'di ba? Pwedeng i-try, 'di ba? Ayan. So, ang ganda nito, talagang beautiful, 'di ba? Ang daming magagandang products dito sa Primark. So, ayan, magte-test tayo ng mga makeup. And we're testing mga foundation, o, 'di ba? At yes, Christine, alright. Okay. Ito maganda, oil, goddess oil. Babayad ka na ba? Winter coats, 50% discount. Very nice. Winter coats, nice. Oh, I love it. Some gloves. Bongga talaga sa Primark. Ang daming mabibili. From bed sheets, bed covers, throw, ayan. Tama ba, throw? O, diba? Ayan, ang ganda niyan, diba? O, actually, gusto ko talaga siyang bilhin. Kaya lang, syempre, think about it. Parang meron na ako nabili prior to that. At yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga unan-unan. O, diba, mga filo. Bagay siya sa couch ko at very soft. Ayan, very soft. Masarap bumili ng mga duvet at mga socks. Hello mga kaolas. May bago akong diba? Yung underwear. We call it yung period underwear. Hipster. Ayan. So, pag may period ka, ito yung gagamitin mo. Microfresh. Bonggang bongga. Ayan. Oh, meron siyang color pink na may heart. Meron ding ganito, period underwear na mas makapal. May black na may heart shapes at ito, may maroon. So, first time ko lang malaman yun, no? At may pa-butterfly pa na iba-iba pala ang lingerie. So, apart from having just an ordinary ordinary, yung parang lang siya, garterized lace, meron din siyang kung ikaw ay may period. Alright! glasses, diba, kitchenwares, sets and everything. At the same time, loads of tumblers. Yeah, so bonggang bongga. So thank you so much for watching with me, and of course, thank you so much, Christine, for being part of this vlog. So I would like to wish everyone Happy New Year, Happy 2026. Thank you so much. Bye.